All right, come, let's start. And then now someone left. Okay, never mind. Can I have all your cameras to be turned on? I cannot start because I'm waiting for all to turn up with faces. Now, if you don't turn on, then the rest of them will be waiting for you. Okay. Astrea, have you gotten your camera fixed? Violet also, is it? Okay. All right. Okay. So just to check with every one of you, did all of you do work or not? Because when I see the homework, not all, not good enough. You all must start doing work, please. Okay. Only few. Galen, yeah. Jaden, Galen did work, yeah. And who? Jaden also. Yes, I saw yours. Miko, Serena, yeah. Serena also did. Yes, thank you. Tommy did. The rest of them, how about the rest? Okay. If you don't do, I am not sure what go wrong. So that's why lah. Today, Shreya, I didn't see. Yes, Shreya, just only today. Okay lah. Next I do earlier lah. Okay. Then who else did today? Jaden. Yeah, Jaden, I saw yours. Miko, yes, Miko, I saw yours. All right. Try to get the camera fixed for those who did. I try to key in the data inside the system so I can see what's your answer also. Otherwise, it's very difficult for me to address your issues. Okay. Are you seeing my share screen? Question number 1. Okay. Just to check. Are you seeing my share screen now? If you don't answer, I also don't know whether you hear me or not. Tommy, you see my share screen? Have, thank you. Okay. All right. So the first question says that at 6:46, a sports car started traveling at an average speed of 64 kilometers per hour. And 2 hours later, a lorry started from the same place, traveling at the same road. So that means he's trying to tell you the distance is the same. So the lorry took 4 hours to catch up with the sport car. Of course, the cars offers, right? So the lorry must drive even faster, right, to catch up with that. So you are supposed to find the speed of the lorry. So that means to say 4 hours later, they will somehow meet somewhere in the here. So I call this M, where they meet each other, caught up with it. Okay. So now the thing is, you know that the time taken is 4 hours, right? And then it start later. To be very precise, then for the car, it will be take the 4 hour plus the 2 hour ahead. In total, he will travel for 6 hours before they met up. So meaning to say when they have this, then you will be able to do the distance that is being traveled. Okay, so what is the distance here being traveled will be remember this triangular. Okay, I'm just recap. Triangular will give you this. All right, distance, speed, and time. So distance is speed multiplied by time, which is 64 multiplied by 6. So that's first step. 64 times 6, you get down to 384 kilometers. So since they have met, right? So the distance is also 384 kilometers for the lorry. It's just that he need to speed up within the 4 hours, which he has took 4 hours. Okay. Now, I know you all cannot put equal, but I have a bad habit of putting it without the arrow. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jaden. So this one, the time taken will be 4 hours. And therefore, you can find the speed. So the speed will be 384 divided by 4. Okay, so 384 divided by 4, they'll get down to 96. So fast. Yeah, 96 kilometer per hour. Okay. This one is not difficult. One of the easier one. Okay. Wow, Tommy so fast. Tommy, you wait. Give me time, okay? Because I need this first. Okay. But Tommy, is that for answer question number what? Number 1 or number 2?
Yes, for number one, it's for number one.
Number 1, but it cannot be 1.8 kilometer per hour lah. Do you have some typo thingy?
No, that one was no. I wrote 1 point. It's because that is the question number.
Oh, oh, you thought 1.8 kilometers. Question number 1. Okay, but 80, it's not 80, because the distance taken is 384 ma.
Yeah,
And so
I
this
think
distance will be the same.
yeah.
So be careful. Okay, so explanation is clear or not? Check.
Yeah.
Those who have not done, please follow me closely. Q1, okay? Ensure everyone is following. I don't want to miss anyone. If you have question, do ask. Okay. Okay. Well, Jaden is JK, Okay. Sabrina and Jessica have a bicycle race and they cycle at a speed of. So Sabrina, let's see what Sabrina has done. He has a speed of 20 kilometers per hour, but Jessica is 24 kilometers per hour. So if Jessica lets Sabrina starts 36 minutes before her, so who have a head start? Sabrina. And he started 36 minutes before. So that means Jessica will have to speed up to catch up with her. Am I right? So how long will he take to catch up? That is the question they wanted to know. Okay, so first thing first, let's do the distance line. Okay, I'm doing it right here. Who started off first? Sabrina, right? So Sabrina will start off first. Then 36 minutes later, you got to wait, who will, Jessica will start to move. Okay, that is what they meant. So he gives you that Sabrina has a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Jessica herself, her speed is 24 kilometers per hour. He started off with 36 minutes. Okay, so where will she be when he's at 36 minutes? Maybe 36 minutes here. Okay, so time taken, maybe 36 minutes. Let's try. Yeah. So 36 minutes will give you about 3/5 hour. Okay. So what is the distance that is being traveled for Sabrina? Okay. So this is step number 1. You have to find the distance. D is equals to ST. So 20 times 3/5, and that gets down to 12 kilometers. Okay, meaning to say the distance up here will be 12 lah. If I see my highlight here, can I say this one he 12, he travel for the certain timing, and then he got 12. This is 12 kilometers. Right? So that is called the difference one, because when he has started and Sabrina has started and he's 12 kilometers ahead of Jessica, Jessica must catch up with her using a higher speed, which she did, right? She had 24 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this one will bring a little concept, all right, called the big diff and small diff. How does it work? Let's take a look. Can I say a diff in the distance? He got to catch up with 12 kilometers. And what is the diff in the speed? The diff in the speed is 24 kilometers per hour, right? Minus 20 kilometers per hour. So we need to say in every 1 hour, I repeat, in every 1 hour, okay, Jessica caught up 4 kilometers. Only, correct not? But their distance apart is 12. So in how many hours will he catch up with that diff? He will need how many hours? Caught up the 12 kilometers. Of course, 3 hours. From here, 3 hours is easy to calculate because 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Okay? So then you will say, how are we going to apply the small diff and big diff? Okay, then you can see this. You saw the distance or not? Distance is always the highest one. So I call this the big diff. Then you say, where's the small diff? There, the speed. The speed is the small diff. Right? So big diff divided by small diff, what must you do? We always do this, right? And then we say divide. And then that gives you the set. How many sets are there? Okay, so this one we will take out 3 hours out because 3 sets of 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. And that's where you get your 3 hours. Is this difficult to understand? Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, wow, so many people responded. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, just to check, I just want to stop every question to ensure only. All right. And I want to apply this to everyone, not only one. Even one cannot, also must tell me why. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's check. Let's see how many people responded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we have 2 cannot understand because no response. Who is the 2 cannot understand, never respond? You're sure? Don't say yes because of our teacher asked her, I say yes. Okay, because I want to make sure everyone understand. You have already come here, spend time, so I must make sure that your hours spent here is very effectively well spent. Okay. All right, get ready for the question 3. Okay. Now, question 3, a little bit of working, but it's not that difficult. I use the space here, so bear with me because sometimes I use up here, up there, Okay. This one. The city D and E are the distance apart. So let's do this 630 kilometers. D